washing kudzu fibers. Currently harvesting kudzu vines, now washing fermented kudzu vines in a small river. Crystal clear water enchanting kudzu vines, swaying in its embrace. The stream's babbling harmonizes with playful sunlight particles, creating a symphony of nature. And he realizes the signs. The time draws near when the kudzu vines will unveil its nature of beauty. Indeed, the awaited time has arrived. The kudzu vines stand poised, ready to transform into exquisite thread of nature. The kudzu vines, soon to radiate their lustrous threads, will be woven into fabric of nature in here at Okanaya's town, Shizuoka Prefecture, Japan. Consider joining us this summer to witness the captivating nature of kudzu vines firsthand.